How to do a green screen in CapCut. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut and import your video. After that, simply click on Effects. In Effects, click on Lens. Scroll all the way down in Lens till you find Blur. Click on Blur. You can also adjust your blur. I'll adjust it to 20 to 18. Make sure you drag blur to last. After that, click on overlay and then add green screen picture or video. After that, drag all the way till the last. Then you will find cutout option. In cutout option, click on Chroma Key. Click on color picker and make sure your circle is in green. After that, again click on Chroma Key and you will find two options, intensity and shadow. You can adjust intensity and shadow as your preference till you see no green color. After that, you can simply export your video, and that's how you do a green screen in CapCut. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.